Welcome to Barangay Santa Elena, Calanasan, Apayao. Welcome to Barangay Santa Elena, Calanasan, Apayao, a vibrant community with a strong sense of identity. We invite you to experience a unique way of life, from our traditions to our people. Get ready to meet the heart and soul of Santa Elena.
Awi sa sikay gayang taon-taon pa siya rin. Nandais ko istorya ang ili simpleng umaptan. Nalikaw sandanan umapnag kasin mailam. Pintas na'y dadamarik nam si masorpresa. Isnan Cordillera, adu-adu di mabuya. Man pasyar ka ada maumuma, san pinapintas na ay mangawisan sika. Besan sengkau di ay dagang ay mangayo sinunong san karasakas. Ya panas pasti ginawang ay manlebleb ya. Huwag mo maboy ipais na di na napanda. Uli na'y dumduma takarakiya miskisa. Uray numan umumang maaywanan daka.
Experience the stunning natural beauty of Barangay Santa Elena. Our pristine rivers and breathtaking waterfalls offer a tranquil escape. Explore a vibrant, thriving ecosystem teeming with life. Discover the perfect blend of adventure and serenity in our beautiful barangay.
Di mabuya, man pasyar ka ada maumuma. San pinapintas na ay mangawisang sika. Besan sengkau di ay dagang ay mangayo sinunong san karasakas. Ya panas pas di ginawang ay manlebleb ya. Awisok si kay kapsat.
Discover the resilient spirit of Barangay Santa Elena, where our people cultivate a life of self-sufficiency through diverse farming and animal husbandry. From the planting of rice to the care of pigs and fish, our lifestyle is a testament to hard work and resourcefulness. Witness the strength and the beauty of a community thriving through sustainable practices.
Isnan Cordillera, ay ka o manika. Tama ilam din o nusta. Entan may ganasan, tan undaman bibinadang. Sa'yo galidaan at awan, ay adidaman hilingan tan inayan. San abig ay ilayan, sayan dan eegyakan.
Teamwork is the foundation of Barangay Santa Elena's success. Our citizens work together, sharing their skills and resources to achieve common goals. This collaborative spirit is transforming our barangay for the better. Our Nilapet and Suman handcraft with love and locally sourced ingredients are a must-try. This delicious rice cake wrapped in a banana leaves offer a unique and unforgettable taste of our community.
Thank you for watching.